National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Jenkintown, and Beverly. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.